What's up, YouTube? I know it's been a while since I did a video. So, anyway, finally found something. Yeah, buddy. Look what I got. Look what I got. Oh, yes indeed. Yes indeed. Just look on to that. Got good meat on it. This tire seems to have a little bit of a slow leak in it, but these are like brand new tires. Yeah, it's got some rocker rust. Good thing I know a body guy that can take care of that. But yeah, I like it. It's even got a topper on it. Interior's pretty clean. Not too bad. Like I said, it's got a little bit of rust, but you know, nothing that I can't fix. It's got a little tear in the seat. I'm gonna sew that up. Sew that up, make that look a little better. But yeah. Oh, this folds up. You know, gives you a little more room. Oh. Anyway, but yeah, it's got 168,218 miles on it. Got a little bit of an exhaust leak. Well, actually, it's a little more than a leak. But I'll show you under here. Oh, I gotta take care of this yet. There it is, right there. Oh yeah, she's kind of rusty, crusty under there on the rockers, but you know, it's a 2001, so it's gonna have some rust on it. I'll pop the hood real quick. A little bit of a dent right there. Bear with me here. Check my power steering, see if I'm a little low. Kind of hear like a power steering kind of whine a little bit. I don't think it's leaking anything. But yeah, I dig it. Four-wheel drive and everything. She's actually got a little pep to it. Get out here to the road. But yeah, I like it. Definitely got to do a wheel bearing or two up front. But yeah, she's even got a little bit of power for being a big old truck. Get out a little bit here. Not bad for a big beast of a truck. Not too bad. Definitely got to get these wheel bearings done because of the anti-lock brake deal. But yeah, dig it on the new truck. I'll give it a thumbs up. Any words? Just figured I'd throw that out there. Let you scope the new truck. Now I gotta get my plow back on here. Or get my plow on here, not back on here like it's been on here before, but yeah. Any words? Thanks for stopping in. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I know I've been slacking on the videos, and I'm going to try to get back on it. So, anyway, I'm out, folks. Peace.